What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Window Tinting Business, and welcome to another video. Today we have a new Tesla Model 3, and we're going to be tinting the whole thing plus the sunroof. But I won't be showing you that portion. With the open frame windows, they're pretty much the same. It's not too difficult on that one, but we're going to be focusing today on this back window. And we are doing a full back window from here all the way in. And let me just bring you inside here just to kind of show you what that back window looks like. It goes all the way back here and comes up, keeps going till here. So it's pretty big window. I mean, it's basically in front of where the passenger is, or right above. So fairly big window. And this one takes a special little bit because you have to use a 60-inch roll and shrink side to side. You can't use a standard 40-inch roll and shrink up and down. Not if you want to do the full window. Here's the film we got right here. This is the 60-inch roll just for the back window. Everything else is pretty much standard, so I'm going to be showing you that as we go along. Just the shrinking portion depends on how much battery I have left. Hopefully we'll be able to record the installation as well, but if not, we're just going to do the shrink today. All right? Alright guys, so as you can see, this is why we have to do this 60-inch roll side to side. Why? Because this is, I think, I don't know, 42 inches, so it's just a little wider than a 40-inch roll. So that's why we have to do it this way. We have to go side to side. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a light on the inside and cut an eighth all the way around. And then I believe last time we reverse rolled it, but I think we're moving along. We still have plenty of battery, so I want to show you guys how I do the install as well. focus. There we go. All right, guys, we're almost done with the Tesla back window. I tried to actually shoot outside because it's sitting outside right now, but it's blowing out completely and it looks like a complete whiteout. So I'm inside here, but I have the Tesla right there. I just got the back window done right now. So basically what I'm doing right now is it has defrosters on the back window that go horizontally and vertically. So if I try to go over, not with the defrosters, but go over against the defrosters, they typically end up leaving little bitty bubbles. So it's a little bit of a pain. And I'm trying to get some air out on the very bottom end. So what I'm going to do is leave it out there for about 15 minutes, let it get a little warm, try to dry out some of that moisture out of there so I can lay down some of the areas that like the defroster lines are allowing moisture to come back into it. But that's pretty much it. After that, clean her up. Obviously we got to finish tinting the rest of it. But yeah, that is one heck of a back window. Usually I need 2 people because I reverse roll it in. And I need 2 people, one person holding the film as I'm setting it in, and it's just a big monster back window. So, but yeah, glad we got her done. She's gonna look good. We just have the side windows to do now, and that doesn't take long at all. But yeah, hope you guys like seeing the Tesla Model 3, the newest addition to the Tesla series. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We just broke 7,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for those of you that have been here. For those of you that are brand new, welcome to the channel. And yeah, again, we'll talk soon.